From the Book of Mysteries by Jonathan Cahn, Day 85, The Mystery of the Ephratah. We sat around a low wooden table on which rested an oil lamp, a metal goblet, and a plate with 2 pieces of matzah, unleavened bread. Every Passover Seder, said the teacher, these has 2 elements to it, the bread and the wine. So too the Last Supper, Messiah's last Passover on earth. He then lifted up the plate with the unleavened bread. In Hebrew, the word for bread is lechem. Messiah took the bread and then said an ancient Hebrew blessing that gives thanks for the lechem. The teacher then recited the Hebrew blessing, and we partook of the bread together. Then, said the teacher, Messiah took the cup and gave thanks. He said the ancient blessing over the Peri Hagafen, the fruit of the vine, and gave the cup to his disciples as a symbol of his blood. The teacher then recited the Hebrew blessing over the cup, and we partook. The 2 elements, said the teacher, the bread and the fruit of the vine, the lechem and the peri. The lechem represented his body, and the peri represented his blood. Now a question. When was his body and blood first revealed? When did he first appear in the flesh and blood? At the Nativity, I said, in Bethlehem. And what is Bethlehem? Bethlehem means the place of lechem, the house of bread. So the place of his birth, where he first appeared in bodily form, contains the same word he spoke over the bread that represented his body, lechem, Bethlehem. But Bethlehem had another name, said the teacher. It was also called Ephratah, Bethlehem Ephratah. And do you know what Ephratah comes from? It comes from the same word from which we get peri, the same word he spoke over the cup that represented his blood. So the place of his birth, where he was first appeared in the flesh and blood, contains the same word he spoke over the wine that represented his blood, peri. So the place of Messiah's first appearing in flesh and blood bears the name of the 2 elements that represented his flesh and his blood. Bethlehem Ephratah, the bread and the fruit of the vine. It was all there from the beginning. Yes, said the teacher, as his death was there from his birth, for the sacrifice comes to be sacrificed. So he lived his life as a gift, to be given a sacrifice of love. Go and do likewise. The mission. What gifts, resources, abilities do you possess? Turn each one into a gift to be given, and seek today every chance to give of them. Scriptures references Micah 5:2, Luke 22:14 through 20.